because you are our mouthpiece. You get to the funds. We can do the administrative and the logistical preparation, but you are the people who extend it further to the funds. And we will charge and task you people to also extend this very well and sensitize the public by using your media so that they can come and then support the team. Be behind the boys so that we can win this game. As he rightly says, in football, nobody likes to lose home. No matter what, you always want to win. And as far as we are concerned, since we took over office, we started work because we know we have a big task. And what is the task, I believe, is known to all of you. And we have got this last game coming, which is very important to us because this is our first start. And as a team, we always work in a winning team. And we want to win whatever game we have, from this one, our first one, to any game that we will be receiving in the coming future. This game is important in the sense we know we have been losing so many matches and the fans out there are not happy with the results. So we want to win their confidence. How can we do that? We all have to call on you, the media, and the fans to sensitize it. Let them come, because the boys are ready. The coach has already started his groundwork. He has started training. He will talk about that. But as far as we are concerned, being organizing logistical preparation, marketing, and finance is all set. We have put some structures in place to take care of this game, because when you are preparing for events like this, you have to invite and then put structures like subcommittees to look into different activities. So which we have the cooperation of the staff who are the experts, because they have been hosting such games for so many years. Though, yes, we have been in competitions like this, but this is of a bigger caliber than we used to host. Because as you can see, we are all club presidents and we understand issues. That is why we don't have any difficulty or any problem in going towards to get so whatever we want, and whatever we want to know in this game, we know it. But with the cooperation of the staff, which is fantastic. So the head of logistics is here, and I am the chair of the task force for this committee, and so far so good. And the correspondence between us and Tanzanian team is on. All the logistical preparations on the ground where they will be accommodated is all said and done.
So the attitude and approach to this particular match, it's non-negotiable. I mean, like we said, we want to win. And I like quoting wherever and whichever I probably right. I read from the Observer that we are about 45, ranking out of 55. Correct me if I'm wrong. And the paper, this article stated that because of that, the Morocco 2015 means that we, in order for us to avoid going the qualifying rounds, because if we fall out of, the preliminary rounds,
Let me help you. I think the article that we are quoting, I already done.
Okay, please go ahead.
Gambia is from 44 out of 54. Now, in order to participate in this game, in order not to fall into the lowest ranked 10 teams, because if it happens, we are playing the preliminaries, and we know the last time we played in the preliminaries in 2003 against Liberia. What happened? We sat for 2 years without competitive football, which is bad for our football.
Thank you for the clarity. But the point he's trying to make is that he said nobody wants to do that. Over and above that, this for the things. So all of that determines how we are approaching this game. Like we said, a lot of work has gone into and most of it is still work in progress. I will now allow the chairman of the logistics committee to give you the highlights of what they have been doing, what we have been doing in the past few days.
As the Vice President rightly mentioned, we are not taking this match lightly. We're doing everything humanly possible to make sure that whatever it takes is in place for us to succeed come 7th of September. Now, the first thing we did as an executive is to come up with a task force, and this task force, they were tasked to make sure that everybody, every Gambian that can contribute at least something towards the success of this march is given the chance to do so. And we decided to come up with subcommittees, and these subcommittees at least are directed to do a particular task to make sure that everything that we need is done to the latter. Now, we have the organizing committee. We also have the security committee, as he rightly mentioned, and we have the logistics committee. Now, going by their names, we all know what each of these committees are responsible for. Now, for us, the most important thing that we did is to make sure that the technical committee starts something. The head coach, Bono Johnson, started training with the boys 2 weeks back, that is the local boys, and he also engaged the professionals out there to see who and who can we have for the Tanzania march. He has gone along with that, and he definitely has put a lot of things in place in order to make sure we have the best of the players out there to join us the 7th of September. Now, at the moment, he is with local boys, I guess about 31 of them, training at the moment, and this size will slim as we go in order for him to have the best of what he actually needed. Bono Johnson also is joined. He has with him Alaji Sar, Tafa Mane, and Mr. Bojam from Biko. I guess Alaji Maron too, in order to help him on the training ground at the Gold Project at the moment. They are later supposed to continue on their training at the Independence Stadium. At the moment, I think they are training at the stadium because the match actually will take place at the stadium.